Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, I tell you what, I have said it before, and I will say it again. The Rosecraft machine just keeps churning, man. Holy cow. Andy and his traditional knife designs, I mean, they just keep coming at us. And this time, he is coming at us with the Piny River Peanut. Very cool. Now, there's going to be something a little bit special about one of these. So, I don't know which one's which. We'll just open it up. And when we get there, I'll tell you about it. But, now, Peanut, traditionally a smaller version of a traditional pocket knife. Well, we're going to start off hot. Because, oh yeah, look at that. This is the vintage Blue Bone. Now, this is the one that is special. Now, you will notice that it definitely has a distressed look. Well, that is by design. This is not a second. We've talked about seconds recently. No, this is purposefully dyed in a way to give it that sort of distressed look to it. And I personally, just looking at it, I really like the way that looks. If you guys, I like my distressed micarta. Some people put oil on it, polish it up, make it all look. I like it when it looks distressed. And this distressed bone is very, very nice. Now, I told you there was going to be something special about one of them, and it's this one. Because this is limited edition. Andy sent out a note, and he's like, it will not be reproduced in this vintage Blue Bone. It's one and done. They do some reruns of some knives. He's like, not this one. This is a one and done. When they're gone, and it's never going to be reproduced. So, if you're a big Rosecraft enthusiast, or you just really, really like the way it looks, go get it. And get it now. I will tell you right now that these are $51.99. But of course, if you go to Rosecraft Blades, use code BigRedEDC, you can save yourself some money. Or of course, if you go to TPK, Traditional Pocket Knives, you can also use code BigRed10 there and save yourself some money as well. But limited run. Let's take a look. Looks pretty darn good so far, and I really like the way that bone looks. And there again, pins, transitions, shield, just absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Single blade. You know what? That had a surprisingly strong, not too strong, for a small knife. I'm going to call that a 6. I think it's at least a good 6. Into that nice half stop. Of course, D2. Oh, we got the sticker. Bye, sticker. There we go. Oh, that came off easy. D2. Of course, Andy's design. Now, like I said, Peanuts kind of hints the name. Somebody that's small, or you may call a small child Peanut. Well, it's a small knife. And it's a very fitting name for the pattern. Now, it's a good, I got a 3-finger grip on it. That pinky closes around behind it. Let's do a quick spec check and just see how much of a peanut it is. So it's right about 5 inches. Just over 3 3/4 on the handle. So we got 2 1/8 actually ish on the blade, right around there. And then your cutting edge is going to be less than 2 inches, about 1 7/8 on your cutting edge. There you go. You've got the nice choil. That looks really, really nice. Of course, you got the rose bomb shield, excuse me. But look at that distressed. I like the way that looks. Kind of gives the old denim jean type look to it. I dig it. I really do. Very, very nice little knife. Now, of course, he doesn't just give us one. He gives us more than one. And we also have a genuine red stag version. Ugh, come out of the box. There we go. So now we have a red stag version as well. Again, looks very, very good. Oh my goodness, I can actually see a seam. That doesn't happen very often. Now, the red stag version, obviously, it's same knife as what I just showed you, except in red stag, D2. Now, the red stag version is going for $69.99. That red stag is just a little bit more expensive to work with. And I tell you what, they do a very good job, because, I mean, there's a lot of contour in that stag. Pin there, fantastic. Even that pin, I'm going to try to get a good close-up of it. I mean, they've really worked it so that there's really no transition in there. We'll go to look at the back. Same way. I mean, they do such, now a lot, I won't say a lot, but definitely, you know, those pins protruding on some stag or some, you know, bone handles that have the contouring or the jigging, or you can feel them sometimes. That is just done so very, very well. Red stag, blue bone. I've come to appreciate stag. I don't jump on stag like I do abalone now. I mean, you know, I've mentioned that before. You know, abalone never used to really grab me. That has completely changed. Love the way abalone. I like the way the red stag looks. They tend to be a little bit thicker, you know, and on some larger knives, you know, I mean, this little guy, it's not a big deal at all, you know. And I've heard from some people that on the stag handles, you know, it's a little bit thicker. They don't quite like it as much, and I get that. I understand that for sure. But, you know, it hasn't grabbed me like abalone or some other handle materials. Looks good. Looks very good. And I know it's one of those classic cover materials for traditional knives. So, it's growing on me, though. I do have to admit that. It's growing on me. But that blue bone, and he calls it vintage blue bone. That distressed, gives it that older, well-used, you know, he said it's intentionally dyed that way to make it look distressed, you know, and what do you say? It's reminiscent of just a knife that you've had forever, and it's in your pocket, you know, you're one of your beloved carries, and it really, really kind of comes through like that to me. So very nice, very good. Andy, my goodness. Don't forget, guys, that blue bone, it's a limited run. This is the only, he's made that very, very clear, and he wanted us, or me, to make that very clear to you. It's a one-and-done shot on that blue bone. If you don't get it now, you're probably not going to get it, and I don't mean now as in the minute it drops, because they do drop today. You know me, I try to put my videos out on drop day. They do drop today. Like I said, Rosecraft, Traditiaonal Pocket Knives, your favorite retailer that carries Rosecraft will have them. And like I said, I believe they go on sale at Traditiaonal Pocket Knives at 8:30 this morning. So if you're watching this early in the morning with me, well, should be dropping here pretty soon. And then Rosecraft, I believe, starts selling them at noon. And both those times are Eastern times. 8:30 Eastern for Traditiaonal Pocket Knives. Noon Eastern for Rosecraft. Andy always lets them go a little bit ahead of time, which is cool. You know, he takes care of he takes care of the people that take care of him. And I can attest to that. Very much so. So, well done, Andy. Another fantastic little traditional pocket knife. The Piny River Peanut, guys, coming from Andy and Rosecraft Blades. Greatly appreciate Andy sending these out. And, of course, I appreciate you guys stopping by to check them out with me. Have a wonderful wonderful rest of your day. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Till next time, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.